800-meter freestyle final for women is about to commence, and the judges have taken their places. The poll is set, and there we have the finalist for this evening.
और 800 मीटर फ्री स्टाइल जिसमें विश्व रिकॉर्ड अमेरिका की कैटी लेडेकी के नाम, जो उन्होंने 2016 यानी अभी पिछले महीने ही उन्होंने 17 जनवरी को बनाया है, और 8 मिनट 7.39 सेकंड का समय, यानी काफी अंतर हम ये देख रहे हैं। ऋचा मिश्रा का जो समय जो उन्होंने इस्लामाबाद में 2004 में बनाया था, 9 मिनट 31.96 था पिछले गेम रिकॉर्ड, और जिसे आगे काफी तैराकों ने इसे सुधार दिया है।
What an achievement by this youngster Malvika, on a way to make her country proud. And there you go, she is gonna turn for the last 50 meters from there, and you could see Malvika has got speed into her last 50. It'll be interesting to watch if she can better her own time from the morning, and which it seems there's a possibility, as she is approaching the last 25 meter of this 800 meter freestyle final in the women's section, and not surprisingly, she will be the clear winner. And as she's inching, really going for her personal best, let's see if she can do it. But the new record is definitely has been set, and she finishes with the time of new record. And you could see on your screen the first, second, third swimmers from India, Sri Lanka and Maldives.
So the bronze medal, first of all, goes to the Maldives, Aminat Shajan, a timing of 10 minutes 41.41 seconds as she receives the medal from Mr. Khonowal.
एंड अनुपम, वो पहली महिला खिलाड़ी है जिसने कि मालदीव को कांस्य पदक प्रदान किया.
The winner of the silver medal from Sri Lanka, Ishani Irandika Senanayaka, 9 minutes 48.62 seconds.
शुरुआत काफी अच्छी की थी, लगातार मुकाबला कर रही थी मालविका के साथ, लेकिन उसके पश्चात मालविका ने सदी स्टाइल से स्विमिंग की और बढ़त हासिल की.
And the new record established in this event, the 800 meters freestyle, representing India, V. Malvika, 9 minutes 19.48 seconds, eclipsing the old record of Richa Mishra by well over 12.5 seconds.
तो इस तरह से भारत को 9वां गोल्ड मेडल यानी स्वर्ण पदक आज मिला, जबकि मालविका ने विजय प्राप्त की.
So under the starters orders, they'll get that maximum push and elevation from the wall as they leave it. There it is, look finely arched as Madhu and Manikawel will fight it out. Watch out for lane number 2 with Matthew. Will he have the stamina to go ahead at the moment? Well, in the lead is lane number 5 with P.S. Madhu of India. And in the third spot in lane 4, Manikawel of India. But Madhu is going away, 1 body length already ahead. And there is in lane number 2 falling back. Lane 4 is picking up, which is Manikawel. And it seems it's going to be a gold and silver for India.
मधु सबसे आगे चल रहे हैं और इसी के साथ लगभग निश्चित हो गया कि भारतीय खिलाड़ी मधु इस प्रतियोगिता में भारत को स्वर्ण पदक देने में सफल हो गए हैं अनुपम. और इस तरह से मैथ्यू अभिसिंह के 5वें गोल्ड का यानी 5वें स्वर्ण का जो तलाश कर रहे थे वो उसे पाने में असफल रहे.
Syed Tariq winning the bronze in the 100 meters backstroke, where India won a gold and silver. That's Tariq. The silver medal going to Sethu Menakawal, 59.47. And there comes the Nekla Chadar. What a wonderful swim by this man. P.S. Madhu won the gold with 57.94 seconds. A new national record eclipsing that of Ranajoy Punja of 1988.
That was a great moment for him. He's been honored with a medal and a scarf, and this is the man who has broken a record That was really a great achievement for him by clocking the timing 57.94 seconds.
This is the lineup: Sajina, Gaurikar, Sarakun, Nugavela, Mahfuza Khatun, Chahat Arora. Watch out for Mahfuza and Chahat in those central lanes.
What a good start once again by Mahfuza from Bangladesh. She has taken the lead. This is the number 5, Athniti Naguwala, equally well, going very well, but it is Mahfuza. It is Mahfuza Khatun, lane number 4, has taken the lead. Chahat Arora, lane number 3, and lane number 5 is Athniti from Sri Lanka. What looks like Mahfuza Khatun is taken a lead over 1 feet from lane 5 and 3. Mahfuza Khatun once again, and she finishes, gets a gold medal. Mahfuza, Bangladesh led Mahfuza Khatun getting a gold medal with the timing 34.88 seconds.
Miss Veena Masood, the president of the Pakistan Swimming Federation for Women, and certainly, as I said, we've been talking about even Pakistan with Swan there, winning a gold earlier on day 1.
Absolutely, the silver going to Hasanti Nugavela of Sri Lanka. The charge being led by Kimiko Rahim, giving them 2 gold medals, one yesterday, one earlier in the pool today, coming up for another titanic battle in the next event with Mana Patel, India's super swimming sensation.
The Wonder Girl, representing Bangladesh with the gold out there, Mahfuza Khatun, and Bangladesh and Dhaka will celebrate.
Absolutely, and why not? And this is another confirmation of the fact that no country, whatever small or however less the kind of facilities they have, they can come up with an individual who can surprise you. What a wonderful story for the smaller countries here. Well, that's the lineup: Kiran Karki, Kanita Munasinghe, and then from lane 3 onwards come the serious contenders: Kamal Hussain of Bangladesh, Sandeep and Puneet from India, and Muhammad Shahjahan Ali of Bangladesh. So
once again, Tilias 30-meter mark and has taken the lead. Puneet Rana is equally. Kamal Hussain, Sandeep Shezwal, very fast swimming. Last 3 meters to go. Sandeep Shezwal gets the gold medals. Puneet Rana silver. Sandeep Shezwal bettering the morning timing, clocking the best timing, 28.79 seconds.
The bronze medal goes to Bangladesh, Shahjahan Ali, who takes the bronze for Bangladesh. The 50 meters breaststroke, the final honors. Bangladesh, Puneet Rana of India takes the silver in the men's 50 meters breaststroke. Here Shezwal of India picks up the 3rd gold and makes the nation proud.
this time round she's got a sister in tow, Machiko Rahim, which has also won 2 medals, though not the gold. So whose golden story will this be? Kimiko, Machiko or Mana, or will Avantika of India spoil their party?
Tense moments, just about 29 odd seconds. Who is it first? It seems to be very close. I suspect it's lane 4, 5, 6. That's the way they are going. It looks as if it's lane 4. Lane 4 is Kimiko Rahim. Lane 5 strong. Lane 6 strong. Lane 4 is walking away. Lane 4 is running away. And it looks certain that it will be Kimiko Rahim of Sri Lanka. The question is, what's the time? 26.49, and that's a game record for this Wonder Girl. Rupi, what a race this turned out to be. First, Mana Patel of India. And Mana Patel, as we've been repeatedly saying, 2 silvers and a bronze out here. It's not over. Remember, she's a young girl. Plenty to learn. And the smile, I'm sure, will never fade away. Because not only from her perspective, but from an Indian perspective, the silver medal to the Rahim family, Machiko Rahim, takes the silver for Sri Lanka, 27.40. So she was also amongst the game's record. And the winner, a new meet record, 26.49. And she certainly must be a very, very happy and proud. And not only her, the entire Sri Lankan contingent will celebrate